What's up, guys? We got another drift track day back to back. This is our fourth one and this summer and 5 overall. This time we're actually doing a local event, so instead of driving 5 or 6 hours away, we only had a short 1-hour drive to Corrigan Oil Speedway, which is just south of Lansing. Marcus was not able to make it to this drift event. He's doing Lambo stuff. He's got a big race right now, but I was able to bring 2 drift friends with me. So we got Adam in an IIS 300, and then my buddy Dan, who isn't here right now, but he's got a 2J Swap BMW. So this track isn't a road course track, it's a circuit, so it's got banked ends. So I've done a bank before at Auto City, but this is gonna be my second time doing a bank in the infield. I don't have a handbrake, so I'm gonna have to finesse the infield, but we'll get it done, no worries. And then hopefully Adam's confident enough to do some tandems with me later today. And we're gonna get driving here pretty soon. That was on film, dude.
I have the security system in the Corvette's messing up.
Sure.
No, it is. It won't let you drive away.
It's alright, man. You're like, dang it, dude.
No, I promise it's the security system. I guess this is my first drift video or drift event where I can't say buy a C5, I had no issues. We had a minor setback today. Yeah, right here's good.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. That's shitty, man. That's a shitty luck.
It was bound to happen though. I've had fantastic luck this whole time. This whole year.
What's happened here?
I think I overfilled the car with gas, and I think I'm gonna Google the saddlebag tank design. I think there's like a pressure release valve up there for vapors, because when you're filling the tank, you gotta let that air go out, right?
Right.
So I think I overfilled the saddlebags and gas started pouring out. So now I gotta make a decision if I think it's safe enough to still run or if I want to call it a day. Steve the firefighter here.
Man, it's just squeezing water.
Oh god, I'm getting soaked. Oh boy. So usually when I swap tires, I'm diligent about checking the axles, and I didn't check it this time, and I have a bunch of cords wrapped around the axle boot. And I really don't want the axle boot to tear, because then I'm just due to lose an axle eventually. So, I think I'm about done, yeah. Definitely. Stop it. You say with your better judgment or against it? I'm not sure what I said. Against it. With my better judgment. Alrighty guys, so Corrigan Oil Speedway, big thumbs up. Super fun day. There was a huge line to get on grid, but once I started doing tandems, the tandem line was a lot shorter, so I got a bunch of runs in. Went through 2 sets of tires, and I have a fresh set that I can use to drive onto the trailer. Overall, super fun event, and I actually really like drifting banks now. I honestly think I progressed a ton today. I did some of the tightest tandems I've ever done before, and I did it with random people. So I put a lot of trust in them and myself as a driver, and just super fun. I'm glad they let us do tight tandems like that without a cage. So that's all I got for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you feel like supporting us, go to crownracingco.com, grab yourself some merch. If not, just thank you so much for watching the video. It means the world to us. So for now, that's it. Enjoy this B-roll of us packing up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't know what I'm talking about. I didn't even do the chains right. Tyler's harassing me.
Hello, Eco.
I feel like we've gotten better at loading as a team, right? I had a bunch of people to help me today, but it used to take us like 2 hours to load the truck. And we only have 1 car this time instead of 2.